Hello French lovers, welcome to French for Fun. It is French Avoir. This is Rachel who is going to be your teacher. Today we are going to conjugate être, to be, and avoir, to have, in the present tense, because these verbs are very important if you want to learn the French language. And also they are irregular verbs which conjugate differently from other verbs. It is advisable to learn them before the other verbs such that you are not confused when you are learning how to conjugate these verbs. And knowing them also enables you to express all the basic things concerning yourself. That's why when you go in the introduction video, you will realize that we used a lot of être and avoir to introduce ourselves. These two verbs can help you to engage a basic conversation, to introduce yourself to a French speaker or in a French environment. And also these two are very essential in constructing most of the grammatical structures of the French language, that is past tense and other tenses. So today we are going to conjugate the present tense because it is the most important and we use it most often when we are speaking in the French language. Let us begin right away. We are going to first begin with être, to be, and see how it's going to be. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So at the end of the video, we are going to have some simple examples. Please don't miss them out. Now let us go to avoir, to have. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now with all the conjugation, we are going to go and see the examples, the simple examples which can help us to understand more of the present tense. Je suis française. Tu es intelligent. Il est grand. Elle est grande. Nous sommes prêts. Vous êtes stylés. Ils sont contents. Elles sont contentes. Now let's go and also see avoir, to have. J'ai 18 ans. Tu as une jolie robe. Il a 2 chiens. Il a une maison. Nous avons la même couleur de cheveux. Vous avez beaucoup de vêtements. Ils ont plein de jouets. Et ils ont un beau jardin. With all that, I have to leave you as of now because I gave you all the information that you needed. I wish you a very nice time. Have a blessed time and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Au revoir et à bientôt.